Hey everybody, Justin Cena here, making this video to make sure that you always pick the right model mockups for your print-on-demand products. And there's definitely a right and wrong answer when it comes to picking mockups, and it has to do with what niche you're in. And I actually made a post in my group a couple days ago. Make sure you join this. You see it on the screen right now. It's Senior eCommerce Mastermind, totally free. It's my free mastermind group on Facebook. There's over 45,000 members in it right now. And I made this kind of tip, post, I called it a pro tip, how to pick the right model mockups. And I kind of gave this really crazy example. You see, this is a mockup right here of a family, 4 different people in it. And I said, if you're selling shirts for people who love marijuana, right, smoking weed or whatever, you're not going to be using this mockup, right? I mean, this doesn't. You see the mockup where they're literally wearing the shirt, it says Happy Family, but this would be replaced with any type of design that you have. And if you're selling shirts to people that like marijuana, you're likely not going to pick this. And the thing that you want to do is really think about who's going to be wearing your shirts, right? That's the idea. You want to be selling, obviously, not only the design, but if you're using mockups, you want to be selling the kind of lifestyle that you're selling. And if you're selling this type of lifestyle, you better hope that your customers are inside of this demographic. And not to say that there aren't, maybe parents that smoke marijuana, but probably your ideal demographic is not going to be represented here. So how do you do this? Well, first of all, you need to live inside your niche. You need to understand that. Let's say you're selling in the the EDM niche, right? Electronic dance music, something like that, right? Your demographic is going to be younger people, right? You're going to be picking mockups of younger people. And this is a site, place.justincena.com. I have the link below this video. You can take a look, and what you want to do is, you see all of these mockups can be loaded with your design. Okay, different ones here, right? And maybe if you're doing, and I'm going to be generalizing here, right? But you got to generalize a little bit for your marketing, right? Maybe this is going to be someone who might want to buy beard-related T-shirts. Maybe someone who might want to buy biking-related, motorcycle-related T-shirts. And the reason is that this might resemble someone inside the demographic. Okay, let's say you're selling, supplements for women. You're not going to be using a mock-up like this, right? I mean, that's an obvious example. But what you would do is scroll through here, tons of different categories over here. You could even do some ethnicities and backgrounds and things like that to make sure that you pick the mock-up that makes sense for your niche. Here's an example I always like to show. I just went in here, I typed in cats for the search term, and obviously they have some other kind of designy things that you could look through, but really what I want to show you is scroll down here and you see there are actual mock-ups with cats inside of the mock-up. So let's say you have a cat related store, right? And I've done this myself. You have a cat related store where you're going to be selling to cat lovers, right? Why wouldn't you use this as your mock-up, as your, not only your ad, but as the image on your website for the product, right? This is going to speak directly to the customer. Now, if you're selling dog-related products, definitely don't use this mock-up, right? If you're selling tennis-related products, don't use this mock-up. But if you're selling a cat-related design, this is only going to make your product look better, make your site look better. And there is, like I said, an absolute right and wrong answer. You're in the iguana niche, this would be wrong to use, obviously, right? But if you're in the cat niche, this is the right answer to use. Now, you don't always have to use model mockups, but if you do, it always makes sense to use ones that are super relevant to your niche and really speak to your customer. And not only are you selling the design, but you're selling that feeling, right? See this person, happy smile on her face, holding 2 cats, right? That's the idea that you want to sell to the customer, and you're doing that through these model mockups. So Placeit is definitely the leader to do that. Take a look at my link, place.justincena.com. Again, the link is below there. But like I said, definitely want to make a smart choice when you're picking your model mockups. You're not just going to pick some random ones. You want to resemble exactly who your customer is, and that's going to lead you to make a lot of money. So I hope this video really helps you make some money. Make sure you join my free group, Senior eCommerce Mastermind, on Facebook, and I'll talk to you real soon.